Hello everyone, welcome back to another weather overview video. It is September 30th, and we are going to be looking at our radar to kick our video off. There's not a whole lot going on in the US today. There's some rain over on the eastern coast, and then a little bit over in the west in Nevada and Utah. And we can see on our outlook for today that is the same area where we have a chance for thunderstorms. We can also see here that there's not a whole lot that's going to be going on in the US. There's a few chances for thunderstorms. This also goes for our day 2 outlook. There's not much going on tomorrow. Or on our day 3 outlook, there's some very, very small chances of thunderstorms. Here is what our temperature outlook looks like for the next few days. Over here in the east is going to be way above average and is not quite feeling like fall yet, even though October is nearing. And then over in the west, it's going to be below average. It's probably going to feel a little bit better over there than it is over here in the east. Here's what our precipitation outlook is looking like. Of course, there's going to be lots of rain over in the east coast from our storms out there. And then this one is showing that there's going to be lots of rain over in the north. This is also our 7-day outlook. This here is our 72-hour outlook. This is only 3 days. It's showing there's going to be some rain over in the west, and then of course, once again, lots of rain over on the east coast. This is what's causing all of our rain over in the east coast, and this is the same thing that all forecasters have had their eye on for about the past week. This here is Hurricane Imelda. Our last video, it was not quite a hurricane yet, but it got upgraded recently to a Category 1 hurricane, and we can also see here that it has changed tracks from what it was on Saturday. Same with Hurricane Humberto. We discussed last time that this hurricane may hit Category 5 status, it may not, but it did indeed become a Category 5 hurricane on Saturday, but it has since then downgraded back to a Category 3 hurricane, and luckily it is not going to hit the US still, even though its track has changed. Here's another look at the tracks of these hurricanes, and I'm showing you guys this outlook of the hurricane tracks because we can see a lot easier here that their tracks are going to cross. So what this is going to do is these hurricanes are basically going to dance off each other. It's not going to completely change their tracks at all, but it will make their movements a little wonky, but it's not going to do anything major. Here's just another view of these hurricanes. We can still see, based on these winds, that they are still pretty strong and they're still going. Finally, here is a radar view of these hurricanes, just kind of a visual look of what these hurricanes are going to do. We can see that this radar is showing that it's going to follow those tracks that the National Weather Service has put out today. Overall, there's not a whole lot going on in the US. The main thing that forecasters have their eye on, of course, is our hurricanes over in the Atlantic Ocean. Other than that, there's not a whole lot going on the continent. There's a little bit of rain here and there, some chances for thunderstorms. Nothing major. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.